Yo, in beautiful old school house here. Just in the cellar. Looks lovely. Loads of pipes. I think they split this into 5 different flats. And you see it's old lead main. They got an adapter here to some sort of plastic going back, which is interesting. But it's this old school boiler here. Now that is amazing. That is amazing. Oh, there's a leak there as well. So that's always nice. But look at this. This is, they call it a Britannia. I don't know what you would call that. But that's where the water would have come in, obviously. Let's go around the side. Yeah, at the back there, looks like the chimney. See if I can get back here. Well, there's the chimney. That's pretty amazing, that is. Warning, contains asbestos. Well, that doesn't surprise me, but boy. Yeah, this is amazing old technology. But all those pipes there, maybe, had a bit of asbestos on them, or maybe the seals. And I think because of that, they can't remove it. But can I open this? It's an old chamber. That's pretty cool, man. What about this one? This looks like it's 2 doors to the same chamber. That must be an AAV, maybe. Yeah, probably some sort of AAV or drain off. Maybe this is where the coal went. Or wood, whatever. That's pretty cool. And I'm guessing this will be the pump where it says British oil. Oh, it says oil. Okay. Or maybe not. It says British Oil Burners Limited. So maybe it did run off wood or coal or oil. I don't know, but pretty cool. Pretty cool.